Top 5 Meal Replacement Plans 2019. The Slim Fast plan promise is simple. It claims to provide significant weight reduction without having to get hungry and without having to struggle with tasteless meals. It promises the shedding of pounds with one sensible meal for the day, complemented by meal replacements and tasty Slim Fast snacks. Moreover, it claims that the results will become noticeable in just 1 week. StripFast 5000 Strip Shake Super Lean is more than just a low-calorie, high-protein shake. It actually includes 5 of the most effective fat-burning ingredients known. The addition of the essential vitamin and mineral complex further increases that effectiveness by boosting your energy levels, mood and concentration, resulting in increased fat loss and calorie burning. Cute Nutrition combines a fun, approachable and aspirational image with a reminder that the product alone do their job. With proven and tested nutritional ingredients paired with an attractive, light and all year round summery style packaging that leaves you anticipating to dig into your new product. They look great, they smell great and most importantly, taste amazing. Slim Zest Slender Way is a popular choice for dieters and gym goers alike, not only because of its optimum nutrition values, but also its amazing taste. The product comes as a microfine powder to ensure no lumps, so when mixed with water or milk, it creates a velvet smooth, delicious diet protein shake. Puration is more than just a high protein powder. It is a natural, healthy, real food alternative to meal replacement shakes, smoothies and protein supplements made from real whole food ingredients and a vegetarian source of protein. The neat gluten-free blends leave you feeling full and satisfied without raising blood sugar levels, which mean you will not be tempted to reach for that sugar fix before lunch. If any of these products take your fancy, please feel free to look in the description below for direct links to where to buy them. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe.